This is hugely progressive. Anything that deepens the distribution model, I think includes everything in its way. And this is the right step. If I remember going back to 2007, 2008, this was part of the Raghuram Rajan Committee on Financial Sector Reforms. Looking at a variety of banks, we did not have the nomenclature payment banks, but I think we had the nomenclature community banks. It's part of that step, I would guess.
So, what kind of flexibility do you think the norms provide to telcos? Say, for example, you have a telco like Bharti, you have a telco like Vodafone. It has its own set of subscribers, it has rural penetration. You have banks like SBI, you have banks like ICICI. What kind of synergies do you think can be put in place?
As we go along, we'll have to figure out, what is your core business and how do you do it. I'm sure banks also will figure out what are the platforms they can operate on. Ultimately, it is going to be a collaborative way that will be found to succeed in this space by serving the mass.
Do you think the norms are conducive enough to, in fact, propel or spur several JVs between banks and promoters from the non-banking industry?
I think they are conducive enough. Whether people want to, I think we will need to see. Let people digest the whole thing. It's only just the weekend, as it were, and we will have answers thereafter.
So the RBI policy is around the corner. Your hopes as far as the interest rate scenario is concerned? There have been other jurisdictions that have in fact taken action. What kind of pressure do you think is on Dr. Rajan this time?
I never speculate on interest rates, and I won't speculate now. So we'll see what happens as we go along.
One question on the growth outlook. So as far as the country is concerned, the GDP growth as it stands as of now, do you think that growth can be maintained, that growth rate?
We'll see where it goes, because it has to go up. We are all aspiring for 8%, and we'll see where it goes.
One last question, sir. How optimistic are you of the Modi government perhaps reviving the entire investment climate? It has taken a lot of friendly steps.
They've already taken the steps, so I think it's only a question of time.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.